Stop right there. If you're about to drop your hard-earned cash on the highly hyped DJI Avata 360 or the Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1, you need to watch every single second of this video. Right now, thousands of people are making blind decisions based on pure hype, completely ignoring the cold, hard facts. Today, we are stripping away all the fluff and rumors. We are putting the upcoming Avata 360 head-to-head against the currently available Anti-Gravity A1. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear answer on whether you should hold on to your money and wait, or if you should just go ahead and buy the Insta360 A1 today. When we compare these two incredible pieces of technology, we have to separate reality from mystery. The Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1 is already out. It is a real drone that you can buy right now. We know exactly what it can do. It shoots in stunning 8K resolution. It records full 360-degree video, and we have seen massive amounts of real-world footage from early creators. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 360 is still wrapped in secrecy. DJI is holding back major details like final resolution, flight times, and wait until their big release date on March 26th. We know it will likely shoot in 8K, we know it has forward and downward sensors, and we know it will have a single lens mode. But there is still a lot of mystery surrounding the exact specs. Let us talk about the video quality, because that is why you are buying a camera drone in the first place. Insta360 has been dominating the 360 camera market for years. They have had plenty of time to perfect their lenses and stitching software. Based on all the footage out there right now, the Insta360 A1 looks absolutely incredible. DJI, while being the undisputed king of traditional drones, is relatively new to the dedicated 360 space. Yes, DJI makes amazing cameras, but Insta360 currently holds the crown for 360-degree quality. However, DJI holds the crown for flying performance and reliability. So, you have a classic battle. A company known for perfect 360 cameras building a drone versus a company known for perfect drones building a 360 camera. Despite their differences, these two machines actually share a lot of DNA. They both act as smart flying cameras. You can put them up in the sky, let them hover, and capture mind-blowing angles. Both drones utilize FPV-style goggles, throwing you right into the pilot's seat for an immersive flying experience. They both come with a motion controller, which is designed to make flying so intuitive that even absolute beginners or kids can pick it up and fly safely. They will both likely shoot 8K in 360 mode, and they will both offer 4K flat video with slow motion capabilities. But this is where the similarities end and the brutal differences begin. The Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1 feels like a traditional smart drone. It folds up nicely, is compact, and it looks a lot like a DJI Mini. It is built for easy cinematic shots, not for doing crazy flips or diving down buildings. It relies entirely on that motion controller. The DJI Avata 360, however, come from a pure FPV racing bloodline. It does not fold. It is built tough, with a solid frame designed to take a beating. Because of its racing heritage, the Avata 360 allows you to use a traditional RC controller with dual thumbsticks. This means you can switch it into full manual acro mode and fly like a professional FPV pilot. The A1 simply cannot do that. Then there is the ecosystem. Buying into the DJI Avata 360 means joining a massive, reliable network of DJI microphones, cameras, and batteries. You are investing in a proven system. Plus, the DJI drone will highly likely feature the D-Log M color profile. If you're a creator who loves to color grade and push your footage to the cinematic limit, that D-Log profile is a massive advantage over the A1, which currently lacks a true log profile. So, what is the final verdict? Should you buy now or wait? Honestly, if you're making this decision today, you need to hold on to your wallet and wait for the March 26th release date. The Insta360 A1 is a fantastic, compact flying camera with proven video quality. But the DJI Avata 360 offers professional manual controls, a rugged design, and integration into the ultimate creator ecosystem. Wait until we have the concrete, final specs for the Avata 360. Compare the final video quality side by side, and then make your choice. You do not want to spend your money now and regret it in just a few weeks. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on all the latest drone tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Share this video with a friend who is looking to buy a new drone and smash the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.